How to get a strong bond when soldering copper pipes. Soldering copper pipes can seem tricky, but with the right steps, you can achieve a solid bond that lasts. Let's break it down into easy-to-follow steps. First, start with cutting the copper pipe. Use a proper tubing cutter to make a clean, straight cut. This is important because a clean cut helps create a better joint. After cutting, remove any burrs or sharp edges from both the inside and outside of the pipe. You can use a deburring tool or sandpaper for this task. A smooth surface is essential for a good connection. Next, you need to clean both the pipe end and the fitting. Use an abrasive pad, emery cloth, or a dedicated wire brush. The goal is to make the surfaces shiny and free from oxidation, dirt, or grease. This cleaning step is vital for proper adhesion of the solder. Once everything is clean, it's time to apply flux. Spread a thin, even layer of flux on both the cleaned pipe and fitting surfaces. Flux acts as a chemical cleaning agent that prevents oxidation while heating and helps the solder flow smoothly into the joint. Now assemble the joint by inserting the pipe fully into the fitting. Make sure it fits snugly. A slight twist can help spread the flux evenly inside the joint. When it comes to heating the joint, use a propane torch. Apply heat evenly around the fitting, avoiding direct contact with the solder. The heat should warm the metal enough for the solder to melt on contact. Be careful not to overheat, as this can burn off the flux. Once the joint is hot enough, it's time to apply the solder. Touch the solder to the joint, and it should melt immediately, drawn in by capillary action. Continue applying solder around the joint until you see a continuous, shiny silver ring forming. Be cautious not to use too much solder. Excess solder can create blobs inside the pipe, restricting water flow. Just enough solder to fill the joint is all you need. After soldering, allow the joint to cool naturally. Do not disturb it while it cools, as this ensures a solid, leak-free bond. Once it has cooled, wipe away any remaining flux with a damp cloth to prevent corrosion. For safety, always use lead-free solder for potable water lines and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Don't forget to wear safety gear like gloves and eye protection. By following these steps, you can create strong, durable, and leak-proof bonds in your copper pipe systems. This method is essential for reliable plumbing installations and upgrades.